Nissan GTR Central Control Installation Video. Remove the decorative panels on both sides of the air conditioning panels. Unscrew the retaining screws. Remove the air conditioner panel. Disconnecting line. Use a pry bar to pry off the panel. Remove the screws holding the main screen. Remove the screen and disconnect the cable. Take out the air conditioner and press the key plate to disconnect the cable. Pry off the armrest panel. Remove the handle. Priya opens the clasp. Take it out and disconnect the wires. Disconnecting line. Take it out and disconnect the wires. Remove the panel and disconnect the cable. Remove the main engine screws. Take out the main frame. Disconnect the host cable and take out the cable that comes with the product. Original card transfer AUX line. The other end is plugged into the host. Plug in the power cord. Connect the protocol box. Connect the original car air conditioning plug. Attach a new air conditioning panel. Connect the power cable, protocol cable. We reconnecting the rest of the wires. Then arrange the line and install it back to the main machine to fix the product.